Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to change phone number in Telegram. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. So, first of all, open your Telegram app. On the top left, you will find 3 lines. Tap on that. After that, tap on your profile picture, and over there below the phone number you will find tap to change phone number. Tap on that. And you can find change number. Tap on this blue rectangle of change number and confirm to change. Now you can choose your region and phone number. In my case, I'll write and pop-up will appear saying is this correct number? And you need to check your number and tap on yes and tap on OK. In this way we can change number in Telegram. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.